Hi guys! I wanted to document the beginning of our journey to becoming sailors. We decided for our anniversary this year, it's our 5th year wedding anniversary, that we would keep on par with doing new things this year, new experiences. So we're taking our first ever sailing class. It's going to be 4 days long and it's accredited, and we are just so excited, so nervous. We don't really know what to expect. We have lived for a week on a sailboat last year in the Mediterranean, and of course we loved it. It was amazing, but that was more of a vacation. So this will be the behind the scenes of doing everything on the sailboat. So I'm really excited. Yeah, we've just had so many firsts this year, and now living by the ocean, it's just kind of piqued our interest to sailing and living on a boat. Maybe we don't know where this will take us. Again, we've never sailed before, so we might hate it, we might love it, but this is just the first little pebble, little step in this journey, and who knows where it's going to take us. So I just wanted to kind of document everything. I hope that I'm going to be able to film a little bit on the boat. I just think it would be so cool to look back on all the little moments and never want to forget this journey and experience. It's our first time learning something together, like being little students together. I never get to see him in his like work mode, so it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, today is Tuesday. We're going on board on Thursday, so I'm just kind of packing, preparing everything, cramming in, studying our textbooks. We are really behind. We need to learn a lot, but yeah, I just don't know how hard and it's gonna be on the boat. Like, are we gonna be taking tests? Are we gonna be like taking tests on the nodding? Because I have not prepared any of that. Yeah, don't know what to expect, so I'm going to try to document and treat this as a little sailing video diary as much as I can. But yeah, just packing and preparing today, so this vlog will probably be the days just leading up to our sailing class. So let's get packing. So I know that roller bags and those kinds of suitcases, like any hard shell suitcases, aren't allowed. So when we went on the sailboat back in Greece, we had to have like duffel bags because they don't want any scuffs or anything on the boat. So I'm just trying to pack in. I'm gonna try to fit everything in just like a Lulu bag. We'll see. It's only 4 days and I'm wearing mostly like leggings and shorts every day, so I should be fine. And then I'm just putting like my little bathroom and makeup stuff in these bags. But of course, like the motion sickness patches, I think these worked so well. They're the MQ brand. We didn't get motion sickness or seasick at all the whole week that we were on the boat last year. I think the key is to put them on like a couple days before you go on the boat. I'm taking this antimicrobial spray just because I'm sure we're gonna be sweating a lot. Some bug spray. I don't know how bad the bugs are on the water. I don't think I've ever experienced that, but that's something that they listed. So got the Native whole body deodorant. I've never used this before. I might use it today just to see like how it works, but I need to find some sunscreen. These are the sunglasses I got. They're kind of just like, I don't want to take any of my nice sunglasses on, so we got these at REI. If anyone's wondering, these are the Mai Tais black on black knock around glasses. Okay, so I just packed up my makeup. Obviously I'm doing very, very simple daily makeup. Mostly just tinted sunscreen. My favorite tinted sunscreen is the RMS. So it's this RMS Sun Cover Up Super Tint, and it has SPF 50. That's what it looks like. So I actually got that at a event, the same one that I got this little Actually, this is RMS too, your SPF BFF. So thank you, RMS Skincare, for giving me my favorite tinted sunscreen. So we just got some raincoats at REI. Just in case it gets rainy. But I think it's super cute. Like, pretty much just gonna wear this like windbreaker every day and like leggings and a t-shirt. And then I have some non-marking, non-slip shoes coming. They should be here today, I think. I had to order them really quick from Amazon. So I'll share those when I get those. And I really hope they fit. And then Brady got these ones. They are non-slip, non-marking, waterproof shoes for the boat. They're really cute. I love them. They're the brand Alukai. Yeah, super cute. I'm bringing some little like shorts, pullover, but for more like water resistant type material because I'm sure it's gonna be so windy and water flying everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna try to pack all of this up into this bag. So for 4 days I got 2 pairs of leggings and 2 pairs of shorts. Just got this cutie sports bra from Target yesterday. I'm packing this. I got some gloves for us. I just got them at O'Reilly's because they were cheaper, but I tried to go with like a good gripping one. So these are Brady's and these are mine. Literally so ugly, but they're mechanical gloves. But yeah, I was worried about like the pulling on the lines and stuff, so definitely gonna need these. And I'm just taking this little black hat and this Columbia kind of heavier jacket. So I think I packed everything in here. Just gotta wait for my shoes, and then the only other shoes I think I'm going to take are my Birkenstocks for maybe like when we get off, because we'll dock at 5:30 every day at the Charleston Marina. And so if we want to go get like dinner or coffee or something, I'll probably just wear my Birkenstocks. So got my clothes, makeup, toiletries. I might put these in a Trader Joe's bag. Went ahead and got some snacks and just stuff to like keep on the boat. So I just got some Red Bulls, coconut water. I haven't tried these before, the peach and mango coconut water, but gotta stay super hydrated. Got some of these Slate coffees. I don't know the coffee situation, but we probably can just, since we're gonna be docked in the morning until 9:30, we'll probably just go and get coffee. There's a lot of coffee shops just downtown, so I'm sure we'll be fine. Got some dates, Quest barbecue chips, protein chips, some dill pickle cashews, which are super good, and then just some chomped meat sticks that we'll take. Okay, that's pretty much everything packed up. I'm just gonna spend the rest of the day going through our textbooks and just kind of refreshing my mind on everything. There's like little tests at the end of each chapter, and yeah, I really need to work on these knots because I have not at all. But yeah, if this is the end of the video, then stay tuned for the actual onboard sailing class. I am going to try to document as much as possible. But yeah, subscribe to my channel so you get notified if you are interested in following along this journey with us. Bye.